In this video, I'll show you how you can fix no DirectX 12 adapter or runtime found in GTA 5 Enhanced. So the first method is to go to Search, go to Settings, go to Windows Update and check if there are any updates available for your desktop. Like you can see, I currently have an update that I can install. After that, restart your PC. Now the second method you could try is to go to Google and type DirectX. Then go to this link right here. Then click on Download, then open it. Click on I accept the agreement. Next. Unclick this one. Click on Next. And it will now start installing the newest DirectX. Like you can see, the installation is complete. Click on Finish. Now the next way to fix it is to actually go to Documents, then go to Rockstar Games, go to GTA 5 Enhanced, then go to View, go to Show, and make sure to enable file name extensions. And then you should see this file in your documents, but some of you will not see these settings. Like you can see, I don't have it either. So what you're gonna have to do is go to your browser again and type settings.xml GTA 5. Then go to this link right here, then click on the download button, click on download. You're gonna right click on the folder, click on extract all, click on extract. And now we have the folder. Open the folder, click on FPS Booster. Here we can find the settings.xml. What you're gonna do is right click on it, click on open with and choose notepad. Then you will see all this code. Scroll down until you see video card description. Now this is just a random GPU. You're gonna have to implement your GPU. The way to find your GPU is to go to the search on your computer and click on device manager. Then click on display adapters. And here you can see the name of your GPU. Copy the name of your GPU in here, go to file, click on save, and then we're going to right click on it, copy it. We're going back to our GTA 5 folder and we're going to paste it in there. If that doesn't work, go to search and type settings again, go to system and then scroll down to optional features, click on view features, type graphics tools, click on this box, click on next, click on add. Wait till the graphic tools is installed and after that restart your PC. Now if that doesn't work, go to this website right here. I'll leave a link in the description and then go ahead and click on this second option right here. Right click on it, extract all, extract, and then we're going to copy this DLL file and then go to your GTA 5 launcher. Now mine is from Rockstar Games. Go to settings, go to GTA 5 Enhanced, click on the view installation folder and we're then going to paste the file into this document folder right here. Click on continue. After you've done that, restart your launcher and that should fix your problem.